crash.
I think it is a bicycle, so you will know.
Go ahead, Landrum. Get in there. I'll take the last one.
Turbo John, guaranteed.
Oh boy, I ain't even drew yet. There ain't but a couple more left in there.
Did you what? Three.
Turbo John.
Turbo John in the left.
Oh, Lord.
Oh boy, look. Oh boy, we gotta race Don again.
Oh, Lord.
All right, boys, we just pushed up here. Car went left a little bit again, so we, Uncle Mike jumped under there and made a little bit of an robo change. This is who we got to race. So Don, he is in the process of building another car. So he said this is his second car that he's built. We raced him, shoot, it's been a little while ago. It's not his car. I think it's a small block. So we're going to have a good race. So I'm in the left lane and he is in the right lane. So here we go, coming up, second round.
Halfway down the track.
I know it. That's why I said race, baby.
All right, boys, we turning around fast. Jim, what do you think? Was it fast?
That was fast.
Personal best, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Personal best. What do you think? What do you think?
I don't know how many more personal bests you got.
I hope we got another one tonight. Milton, what you think? Personal best, baby. Let's freaking go. Yep. And we turn it down because the air is now like minus 400 degrees.
Probably
So
negative 500.
negative 500. But yeah, it's getting cold. The dew is starting to come out a little bit. So hopefully we're going to be able to run it. Looks like we've got 6 cars left. So we did get a personal best. We turned the dome pressure down a little bit. Mile per hour was not personal best, so that shows you that we turned it down, but it peaked up early in the run, like through the middle. Yeah. So really exciting.
PB through the middle.
PB, baby. Yeah, through the middle and at the finish line. Actually, that's where it come from, ain't it? From the 60 foot to the 330 is where it got personal best. So here we go, guys. We have not drawn yet, so we just went ahead and pushed up here. They were yelling for us to come up here. I guess we're the first one. Maybe we misunderstood. We can't really hear. Let's see if we can find where the driver's meeting is. Yeah, baby.
My kid just won first round.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
How many they have? There's a bunch of followers right here.
Faster.
Look, he gonna run over Dad. All right, guys, we're down to
7 cars.
7 cars. Somebody's getting a bye. Guess I'm the last one.
No, there's a couple.
Oh, is there a couple in there? Oh, there's 2 left.
Who ain't gold?
Huh?
Who ain't gold? Jared, that's right here.
I can make you this. Can I get a
right,
picture with you after?
Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. It's about to be a race right here, baby.
Let's go,
Turbo
baby.
John in the right.
Yeah,
You got Herman.
Yeah.
Herman in the left.
Come on down.
All right, here we go. You told me he went by you at 200 mile per hour. I am not capable of going 200 mile per hour. Right. All right, boys, this is who we were trying to avoid drawing. They didn't nobody want to draw that bear. Z28 big block Pro Charger. Herman, where are you guys from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. Okay, I guess that's why I had never seen the car. Have you had it out for a while?
Brand new.
Oh boy,
This is his first race.
first race and it's going this good. That's good, man. It's gonna be good.
It's been in the shop for like 4 years.
Oh, it's been in chassis jail, engine jail, and wiring jail. Did I get all that right?
Yeah.
Pretty much. All right, man. Good luck. Be careful.
Yeah, you too.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Now the pass before that, we did put a little bit more power down track, and so it went left down track. So we got a couple things we're gonna work on this week. Mike's gonna come up, we're gonna mess with the suspension stuff. It's hard to mess with it on dirt, ain't it?
Yeah, you can't do it on
So we just measured it all out some, and it looks like it's square, but it is, like, as we put power into it, it's hooking over to the left a little bit. We'll figure it out. Now, you know, the wing is a little canted as well, and that's what Milton was saying. He thinks maybe with the wing being canted, that could be pushing it, and it's absolutely right. And it's, if you look at it back there on that side, is a 1/4 inch further back than this side, and we are getting downforce. The other thing we changed since we started going left, well, we changed 3 things since we started going left. We were pretty straight. We put a wing on it, we changed the bar angles, and we put the Circle D converter in it. So the Circle D converter is locking up tighter, making the suspension work harder, and with the bar angle up and we're getting compression from the wing, then that may be part of it. Maybe we don't have enough anti-squat, and the car is, with it squatting on the big end, and we showed y'all in the data log how it was doing that, you know, when it got, you know, up about 100 miles an hour or so, the back started squatting. And it's only about a 1/4 inch, but if you think about it, if it's squatting out there and then it's starting to put more pressure on this side somehow than the other, then that could be part of the problem. So we got some work to do. We made it down to the 3rd round. I think we were going to have a good drag race. I hadn't downloaded the GoPro data yet, but I got a feeling that GoPro data is going to show us, the GoPro on top of the car, the GoPro 360, that we were neck and neck until I had to lift, so I didn't go into his lane. He's got a fast hot rod, that is for sure. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We're done for tonight. Appreciate everybody coming out and helping. Chase, Uncle Mike, Jim, Milton, and Lawrence. It was a good time. We had a fun outing. No wins today, though, guys. It ain't easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it.